Hi everyone! So sa ngayon tinan natin kung ano yung mensahe ng Panginoon para sa atin lahat. We have this X in either way. We also have the fail. We also got the loss. And then I feel like gifted, honestly. We have the sick, and also I kind of feel gossip as well. We have this one in reverse. So gusto sabihin ng Panginoon, if ever you do have a failure noong past, nagkaroon ng losses dahil sa mga tao nag-espiya or nag-gossip against sa'yo. Kasi mga taong ito, meron silang jealous issue with regards to you. You have the arrow here, kaya kanila tina-target kasi may inggit, okay, na nangyayari. Kasi nakita kanila na go-getter at sila nakatitig sa'yo. I'm not quite sure if you're somebody na talagang you express or you tell whatever your plans are. I will suggest, guys, na iwasan nyo yun kasi hindi lahat ng tao ay happy for you. May mga tao na ganito yung energy na may inggit. Kaya nga sabi nila kung sakali man naluluwas ka, huwag mong sasabihin kasi madalas hindi natutuloy kasi nahadlangan ng negative energy ng mga taong micro-mentality attitude. We have the work in either way. We also have the Joker being here, and we got this judgment. So anyway, focus ngayon kayo sa work. Huwag niyong pansinin yung iyong hater. Basta mag-focus lang kayo tsaka iwasan yung mag-post sa social media about sa ginagawa niyo para maiwasan yung ganitong mga negative energy sa inyo. Okay, so anyway, that's it guys with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness about your situation, and God bless all of you.